Hi, my name is Chris Antes, a personal chef with thechefforyoutaHave.com, and I'm here in the Conscious Cook kitchen to show you a great way to make some oven brown broccoli. Now, what I like to do with it at first is start off with a great product of broccoli, and a lot of times, depending on how you might like it yourself, there's two ways to do it. You could, of course, leave it raw like this, maybe toss it with a little seasoning and oil and stick it in the oven. Or what I like to do so that it doesn't end up browning more than cooking, where it'll go a little more evenly, I use something like this that's often considered a double boiler, where I have this little perforated thing on the bottom and I have some water underneath there just at a light simmer. So when I put the broccoli in there, it'll get really bright and beautifully green, but still hold a bit of its crunch to it. So I like to do that and then put it in a pan and stick it in the oven to brown. And I put it under either the highest temperature that you can have, or which then there will be some flame up on the top, and that will get the perfect color in there. And this will cook quickly because, again, the broccoli still has a nice little bite to it, but then has that perfect golden brown look to it to enjoy.